Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Abdullah Yusuf. I work as a Quran and Tajweed teacher at Tareeq-ul Institute. Today, inshallah, we're going to discuss the natural method. I hope you will enjoy this video. Thank you so much for watching. Now let's get started. Before we talk about the method, I'd like first to talk about the difference between English and Arabic when it comes to the vowels. In English, a short sound could be represented by one or two vowels. Also, a long sound could be represented by one or two vowels, which kind of makes it hard for the non-native to guess the right way to say the word. In Arabic, there are 3 short vowels and 3 long vowels. The 3 short vowels are fatha, kasra, and dhamma. Fatha always comes on top of the letter and it gives it the sound a. And it's also very short. So when you say, for example, kaf fatha, it becomes ka, kataba. Kasra always comes under the letter and it gives it the sound I. Kaf kasra ki, kitab. The last short vowel, which is dhamma, it always comes on top, similar to the fatha, and it gives it the sound u. Kaf dhamma ku, kutiba. Now let's see what happens when a mad letter comes after a short sound. So here we have a qaf with a short vowel fatha. Qaf fatha qa. Once the alif comes after, it becomes qa. Qala. We stretch it for 2 counts. 2 counts is basically this long. Qa. That's 2. Double the time of saying the letter with a short vowel. Now let's get to the qaf with kasra. Qaf, kasra, qi. When it's followed by ya mad, we have to extend the kasra sound. Qi becomes qi. Qili. Now qaf dhamma. When followed by a wow mad, it has to be extended a little bit. We're gonna say, instead of yaqul, it's gonna be yaqul. Yaqul. There are 2 very important things that you should know about the mad letters. First one is that there is a matching sign for each mad letter. Alif is matching with the fatha, ya is matching with the kasra, waw is matching with the dhamma. I'm telling you this because the mad letter should always be preceded by a letter carrying a matching sign. The mad letter always comes clear with nothing on top. Well, there is a little bit of an exception here. The mad sign. When you see a mad sign on top of a mad, have to or should give it 4 or 6 counts, depends on the case. One last thing you should know is that there are alif and waw letters in the Quran that have a round circle on top of them. For example, the word qalu, ulaika. These are not mad letters. Actually, the round circle on top of them is called as-sifru al-mustadir, and that means that these 2 letters are silenced. You can't really say them. The first word is qalu, qalu, and the second word is ulaika. If you listen closely, you will hear me saying u, hamza with a short vowel. This waw is not a waw mad letter, similar to the word right and so many other words that have silent letters. Now let's get to the examples. Qala, yaqulu, qila. In the 3 examples, there are 3 mad letters and the 3 are preceded by their matching sign. This is the word amana. If you look here, you'll find a hamza carrying a short vowel fatha followed by an alif mad. Amana, amana. What you should do is try not to say the mad letter. Amana. Now let's add the mad letter again. Amana. The next word is a'udhu. Without the waw mad, it becomes a'udhu. With the waw mad again, a'udhu. The last example, salimin, salimin. This exercise will help you feel and understand how the mad really works. So my advice to you guys is to keep doing this until you feel like you have mastered it. That's it for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.